Welcome to Clover Cure. Today, we're discussing an ancient seed that has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits. This tiny powerhouse, often overlooked in modern diets, is packed with nutrients that can transform your health in remarkable ways. We're talking about the chia seed, a staple of ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans, who recognized its potential long before it became a trendy superfood. Chia seeds are not just a passing fad. They are a nutritional goldmine. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, these seeds can help reverse the signs of aging and significantly boost your immune system. Imagine being able to support your body's natural defenses while also promoting youthful skin and vitality. Sounds intriguing, right? In this video, we'll explore how incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can lead to a healthier, happier life. We'll share easy ways to add them to your meals, discuss their impressive health benefits, and even reveal some delicious recipes that make it simple to enjoy this ancient superfood. So, if you're curious about how a small seed can have such a big impact on your health, stick around. You won't want to miss the insights and tips we have in store for you. Let's unlock the secrets of chia seeds together. To truly appreciate the power of chia seeds, we must journey back in time to explore their origins and cultural significance. Chia seeds have been cultivated for thousands of years, primarily by the Aztecs and Mayans, who considered them a vital part of their diet and culture. These ancient civilizations recognized the seeds not only for their nutritional value, but also for their medicinal properties. In fact, the word chia comes from the Mayan word for strength, reflecting their belief in the seed's ability to enhance physical endurance and overall health. Chia seeds were often used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, from digestive issues to inflammation. Historical figures like the Aztec warrior and leader Montezuma reportedly consumed chia seeds to boost their energy and stamina during long battles. This highlights how deeply embedded these seeds were in the fabric of ancient life, serving as a source of nourishment and healing. Fast forward to today, and we see a resurgence of interest in these ancient seeds as modern health practices increasingly embrace holistic approaches. The wisdom of our ancestors is being validated by contemporary research, which confirms the numerous health benefits of chia seeds, including their role in reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. By integrating ancient knowledge with modern science, we can harness the power of chia seeds to enhance our well-being in a fast-paced world. Join us as we uncover more about this remarkable seed and its journey through history. Chia seeds are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Packed with an impressive array of nutrients, these tiny seeds offer a wealth of health benefits that can support your overall well-being. To start, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. They also contain significant amounts of fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. In addition to these key components, chia seeds are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining strong bones, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. Furthermore, chia seeds are a great source of antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, two factors that contribute to aging. When we compare chia seeds to other popular superfoods like flax seeds and quinoa, their uniqueness becomes even more apparent. While flax seeds are also high in omega-3s, chia seeds contain a higher concentration of fiber and are more versatile in culinary applications. Unlike quinoa, which is a complete protein, chia seeds provide a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can be a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake, support immune function, and promote a youthful appearance. Let's explore how to make the most of this nutritional powerhouse. As interest in chia seeds continues to grow, so does the body of scientific research validating their impressive health claims. Recent studies have highlighted the numerous benefits of incorporating chia seeds into a balanced diet. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that participants who consumed chia seeds experienced significant reductions in blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, indicating a positive impact on heart health. In addition to cardiovascular benefits, clinical trials have demonstrated that chia seeds can aid in weight management. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that participants who included chia seeds in their diet reported increased feelings of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. This finding supports the idea that chia seeds can be a valuable tool for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Health professionals are also weighing in on the benefits of chia seeds. Nutritionists and dietitians frequently endorse them for their high fiber content and nutrient density. Experts emphasize that the antioxidants found in chia seeds can help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases and aging. With a growing number of studies backing their health benefits, chia seeds are gaining recognition as a powerful addition to modern diets. As we continue to explore the science behind this ancient seed, it becomes increasingly clear that it holds significant potential for enhancing our health and well-being. Join us as we delve deeper into how to incorporate these findings into your daily life. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily meals is easier than you might think. These versatile seeds can be added to a variety of dishes, enhancing both nutrition and flavor. One of the simplest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by adding them to smoothies. Just a tablespoon can boost your drink with omega-3s and fiber. You can also sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal for a hearty crunch and added nutrients. For a delicious and nutritious breakfast, consider making chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with your choice of milk or a dairy-free alternative. Add a sweetener like honey or maple syrup and let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, top it with fruits, nuts, or granola for a satisfying meal. If you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating chia seeds into baked goods. They can be added to muffins, bread, or energy bars for an extra health kick. Additionally, chia seeds can be used as a thickening agent in soups and sauces, or as an egg substitute in vegan recipes. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit until it forms a gel. To maintain the freshness and potency of your chia seeds, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. This will help preserve their nutrients for longer. Don't hesitate to get creative with chia seeds. They can complement a wide range of cuisines, from salads to desserts. Embrace the versatility of this ancient seed and enjoy its health benefits in your everyday meals. While chia seeds are generally safe and beneficial for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and considerations before incorporating them into your diet. One of the primary concerns is the possibility of allergies. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to chia seeds, which can manifest as skin rashes, itching, or gastrointestinal discomfort. If you have a known allergy to sesame seeds or other similar seeds, it's wise to approach chia seeds with caution. Additionally, chia seeds can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. If you are taking anticoagulants or other medications that affect blood clotting, consult your healthcare provider before adding chia seeds to your diet. When it comes to dosage, moderation is key. A common recommendation is to start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. This amount provides ample health benefits without overwhelming your digestive system, especially if you're not used to high-fiber foods. It's essential to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds, as they absorb liquid and can expand in your stomach. Before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. It's clear that these ancient seeds offer a multitude of health benefits that can significantly enhance our well-being. From their impressive nutritional profile, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, to their potential for reversing aging and boosting immunity, chia seeds are a powerful addition to any diet. By incorporating them into your meals, you can support your body's natural defenses and promote a more youthful appearance. The importance of integrating natural remedies like chia seeds into our health routines cannot be overstated. In a world filled with processed foods and synthetic supplements, turning to nature for nourishment is a wise choice. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from the incredible properties of chia seeds. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Explore our channel for more tips, recipes, and insights into healthy living. Together, let's unlock the secrets of nature and embark on a journey toward better health and vitality. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.